Hello everyone, this is me, Tunjina Ali. I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in software engineering at University of St. Jamshoro. And I would love to introduce myself as I started my career with Women Tech Maker, whereas I was just in ninth grade, a 14-year girl who is looking for opportunities, who is looking for new opportunities to hunt and learn something more. And I came to know about the Women Tech Maker, where I joined Women Tech Maker, and Women Techmaker helped me to become the first silver medalist in Olympics, representing my country at international level. I was the one who is Women Tech Makers programs and events inspired so much that I started my own startup and became the Federal Ministry award-winning startup person. And I'm so lucky to be a part of this program. Through my journey, I learned a lot. I learned about the leadership opportunities. I learned about networking. I learned about coding and technology, and my main core interest building tech just because of Women Tech Maker. So today I'm here for this interview process, and I feel blessed to be a part of an organization where I can contribute a lot as much as I can, and I'm happy to serve it again this year as an ambassador. So I'll be starting with the questions I was asked. So my first question was, why do I believe I'm good fit for the Women Tech Makers program? I believe that I'm good fit for this Women Tech Maker program, ambassador program, because this program has played a very major role in my life. Like, I have been a part of this program for past 4 years as a member, and I know where things are lacking, where we can improve a lot, and I want to contribute. I feel like I'm fit for this because I see this as an opportunity which will help me to accelerate and which will help me to motivate other young generation, other young leadership minds to come into this step and follow the footsteps of inspiring people. So I feel like this program is a good fit for me. This program serves leadership, networking, coding, and exposure that I feel like I have always wanted. And that was the reason why I joined Google Developer Groups, and why I'm also a part of Isaac International as a national support team leader. So I feel like this is going to be a fit good program for me. I'll come to my next question. What you can contribute to the community? I have been a part of lots of communities. I have represented my country at international level. I have been a part of Isaac, where leadership, opportunities, networking are just as a main core of that organizations. So I feel like I can contribute to this community by organizing engaging leadership programs, by creating more impact, by motivating other young generations from the part of a country where they just feel like neglected. They feel like technology is nothing just as a code to be seen at the front, but I want to create an impact through this community where people can know that technology is something that can change their entire life. So my last question is, what you are hoping to gain from the experience? Okay, so it's an interesting question. I'm hoping to gain more leadership exposure, to gain more networking nationwide, international-wide, and to meet with my alumni ambassadors and see my current ambassadors, learn from them, see how they are working, and meet with like-minded peoples and see how they are contributing to their community to create a bigger impact. And I would say that as I was a guest speaker at Women Tech Makers program titled as Break the Pattern. So I'm gonna say that I'm gonna break the pattern. I'm gonna break the barriers who are just bounding the women at home and telling them that they are not fit for the technology. So I wanna break the pattern and tell the world that every individual deserves the equal right to explore, to network, to lead, and to become a best leader. Thank you so much.